Hi friends, actually how are you? Hope you are all fine. Last video I was not able to explain it fully because of the timing factor, as well as there was some lighting problem also. You could have seen that the quality of the video was not that much appreciable. So we were not able to complete all the topic also, like Sira also I had mentioned something in the heading about Sira, but we didn't discuss that. So actually last time I was explaining you about how the PSBD, that is PSCOD, originated. Again we will have a short summary that after washing out of the 4,000 security companies in the UAE, NSA was formed, that is National Security Institute, under the supervision of Ministry of Interior and Abu Dhabi Police. The training is given, it was given, now being given, and it will be given there in NSI. All the training managers, training supervisors, and security guards, they are given training in NSI, National Security Institute, for 1 week, and then they are provided with the police license, that is the security license to work, which is valid for 2 years, as we discussed in the earlier video. And as I told you, in the training session, in 1 week session, the instructors will be very, very strict. Even the security of that NSI, he has the power to complain, and immediately his complaint is taken into consideration, and the particular security guard who is in training, he will be thrown out of the UAE. That is the thing. So don't take it very easily. In the training period, they will assess you. So they will think that in the training, in the NSA training, in front of the people who are going to provide you the license, you are behaving in this way. Now how you are going to behave in the site and with the company and with the people where you are going to work. So don't take it easily, right? Okay. Marks will be provided for your participation in the class also. How you interact with the how you interact with the instructor, how you listen to the class, how you answer to the questions, and marks will be given for your turnout also. Turnout in the sense your grooming and uniform, right from your haircut, shaving, your dresses properly designed or not, socks and shoes. They even check socks also. Whether somebody thinks that okay, it is inside the pant, who is going to check? We can wear some other color socks. No, it's not like that. So strict to the uniform code, and don't deviate that, right? Now, when you go and you are assigned a work there, somewhere in the site, any time PSBD inspectors, they can come for inspection. They will be in mufti, in kandura, like in the Arabian dresses. So don't think that they will come in police dress. So they will come in like they can come like an ordinary citizen, and they can demand for your PSBD license and your company license. Both should be with you. Company ID card and security license given by the police. So when they come, how can you differentiate between PSBD inspector and local? Just if somebody comes and demand, it's not necessary that you should take your license and show. You can demand them very politely and ask them, sir, can I see your ID card first? So they will be happy. So they will show your ID card that this is this, they are inspectors, and then after that you can show your ID card and whatever they demand. They have full power to terminate your services. Again, I'm repeating this because don't take this seriously. Lays very easily. Take this seriously. They have the full right. Whether you work in any company, they don't mean we are under them, we are working under them. They can terminate you immediately and back to our home country. So be very careful in that, okay? And follow the nations, that is UAE's rules, law, which is taught to you in NSI, okay? And if you have any doubt regarding the security, I have prepared a questionnaire, as I told you in the previous video. how to pass PSBD. It is in questionnaire. It is in the PowerPoint presentation, but it's in the video form only. You can go through that. If you have any doubt, please get in touch with me through the comment box. Okay, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you guys. See you again in the next video.